Hello friends, I am Pooja Rikhi. It is my second video on number system. In previous video, I have discussed rational and irrational numbers. You can see link of that video in description box. Today we will discuss prime numbers, composite numbers and co-prime numbers. First one is prime numbers. Numbers that are divisible only by itself and 1 are called prime numbers. Here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 up to so on that are called prime numbers. Smallest prime number is 2. 2 is the only even prime number. Except 2, all prime numbers are odd numbers. Now examples. Is number 7 a prime number? Let us find out. Here we know factors of 7 are 1 and 7. It means 7 is divisible by itself and 1 only. So we can say 7 is a prime number. Now another example. Is number 2 a prime number? Let us find out. Here factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Both factors are different. So we can say 2 is also called a prime number. Now composite numbers. Those numbers which have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. In other words, we can say any number that is not prime is called composite number. 4, 6, 8, 9 up to so on that are composite numbers. First composite number is 4. Now example. Is number 10 a composite number? Let us find out. We know factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. It means 10 has more than 2 factors in it. So it satisfies the definition of composite number. So we can say 10 is a composite number. Now what type of number 1 is? 1 is the only number that is neither prime nor composite. It has only one factor in it. It is not considered as prime number because it does not have 2 different factors. It is not considered as composite number because it does not have more than 2 factors. So at the end we can say 1 is a unit number. Now co-prime numbers. 2 numbers are said to be co-prime numbers if the only factor that divides both of them is 1. In other words, we can say co-prime numbers are those numbers which have highest common factor as 1. Co-prime numbers are also called relatively prime or mutually prime numbers. Here are examples. Numbers 3 and 11 are co-prime. Let us find out. We know factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Factors of 11 are 1 and 11. So we can see common factor between both of them is 1. So we can say 3 and 11 are co-prime numbers. Now another example. Numbers 15 and 8 are co-primes. Co-prime numbers, let us find out. We know factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. And factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So we can see HCF of 15 and 8 is 1. So we can say that are also co-prime numbers. Thank you so much. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.